This is a real nightmare for weeds. After this spray, they will start to dry out and turn into brittle stalks. You no longer need to get your hands dirty constantly pulling weeds from paving stones, driveways, or garden paths. Over time, weeds become harder to remove because their roots grow deep into the ground. If they keep coming back to the same spots, try this simple mixture. Take a large bowl. The first ingredient is salt. Add 4 heaping tablespoons. Salt has long been used in homemade mixtures for unwanted vegetation. Next, measure 1 cup of coconut drink and pour it into the bowl. Its texture helps distribute the other ingredients more evenly. The next ingredient is alcohol. Measure 1 cup and add it to the bowl. Alcohol evaporates quickly and helps the mixture coat the surface of the weeds. Now it's time for the secret ingredient. Pour in a small amount of Coca-Cola. Its ingredients make the mixture even more potent. Mix everything thoroughly until the salt dissolves. Then pour the finished mixture into an empty bottle. Take the cap and make several small holes in it using a heated tool. Screw the cap back on. This creates a simple sprayer ready to use. Apply the mixture directly to the weeds, especially the leaves and the area close to the ground. After some time, you'll notice them losing their vibrant color and gradually drying out. This makes it much easier to keep driveways, walkways, and paving stones looking clean. Once you see the results, you'll probably never go back to pulling weeds by hand. Spray this solution on your weeds, and they will disappear in no time. Weeds grow quickly, are hard to remove, and spoil the appearance of the garden. Fortunately, I have a method that will help you get rid of them in a flash. Prepare a larger container to easily mix all the ingredients. Start by pouring 100 milliliters of water. This will be our base. Then add vinegar for weeds, which, due to its acidic pH, effectively weakens the roots of the weeds. Now, it's time for our secret white powder, which helps quickly and effectively get rid of unwanted plants. Add 2 generous teaspoons. To make everything stick better to the plants, add 2 pumps of soap. Soap acts as a wetting agent, making the spray more effective. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until a uniform mixture forms. Now pour it into a spray bottle, screw the lid on, and you're ready to go. Spray the weeds, and within seconds, you'll see them disappear. The spray works quickly, helping you regain control over your garden. This is a natural way to get rid of weeds, as effective as chemical solutions. Weeds growing on your driveway or sidewalk? Here's a quick and natural spray recipe. The plants will disappear without the need for scraping or pulling out roots. No more hours spent on your knees yanking them out. You only need 3 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a small spray bottle. Pour in about 10 fluid ounces of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. It doesn't kill the weeds, but plays an important role. It reduces the surface tension of the water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in the weed cells. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour in about 2 fluid ounces. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is harsh on plants and helps kill them quickly. Mix it all up and you're ready. Spray the weeds growing between your pavers. It's best to do this on a hot or sunny day, as the sun speeds up absorption into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. The weeds will slowly dry out and die. No more pulling by hand, just spray and let the mix do the work. Just a drop, and weeds will instantly dry out, killing the entire plant down to the roots. It's the fastest and most effective weed killer I know. When weeds appear on the driveway or garage, you'll want to get rid of them quickly. This spray is perfect for that. Simply spray it on the weeds and you're done. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, and eliminates the need to manually pull weeds. The spray will eradicate the entire plant, roots and all. To make the spray, mix about 500 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon of salt until dissolved. Then add 200 milliliters of vinegar and mix again. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Shake well before use. For best results, Apply on a sunny day to maximize the drying effect on the weeds. You'll see them dry out quickly. Once they're dry, removing them is a breeze. This simple yet highly effective vinegar and salt spray will safely handle your weed problem. This gets rid of weeds for good, especially the ones growing between paving stones and in sidewalk cracks. Take a spray bottle and unscrew the cap. Pour in 1 liter of regular vinegar. Screw the top back on and pump the sprayer. Spray directly onto the weeds, covering them thoroughly. Leave it for at least an hour, preferably in full sun. The weeds will be gone without a trace. They'll dry up and won't come back. This homemade mixture gets rid of weeds faster than you think. You only need a few simple ingredients to get rid of weeds without constantly pulling them out by hand. It works especially well in places that are hard to reach or where regular weeding takes too much time. The first ingredient is salt, which helps dry out weeds and limit their further growth. Add about 5 tablespoons of salt to a large bowl. This will help unwanted plants gradually weaken and dry out. Next, pour in about 1 cup of red dish soap because it sticks well to weed leaves and makes the mixture work even more effectively. The next ingredient is vinegar, which helps weaken unwanted plants thanks to its acidity. Measure out about 1 cup of vinegar and add it to the other ingredients. Then pour in about 2 cups of water. Mix everything very thoroughly so all the ingredients combine well. Prepare an empty bottle and carefully pour the finished liquid into it. Then take the cap and use a heated tool to make several small holes in it so you can easily pour the liquid over the weeds. Screw the cap back on and your homemade solution is ready to use. Pour it over spots in the garden, especially between pavers, along paths, and wherever weeds appear most often. After some time, you will notice the weeds starting to dry out, and your garden will look much cleaner and neater. Apply it only to specific spots so you don't damage other plants. Just one use and weeds disappear for good. Weeds growing between paving stones or in the garden can be a real nightmare and often come back despite all efforts. But no weed can survive this home method. You won't spend hours on your knees pulling them out anymore. To make the spray, you only need 3 ingredients you surely already have at home. Pour about 2 cups of warm water into a tall container. Then take vinegar and measure out about 1 cup. Vinegar is effective against weeds because it contains acetic acid, which strongly damages plants. Pour it into the container. Now take salt and add 1 tablespoon. It dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in weed cells. Mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle to make application easier and pour the liquid inside. Spray the weeds growing between paving stones. Do it on a hot, sunny day so the mixture absorbs faster into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. Wait until the weeds die and dry out. Forget about pulling them out by hand. Let the spray do the work for you.